Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today we will continue our lecture. The topic is networking model. I will share the notes with you. Okay. Okay, this is the topic today. Okay. The sub-contents for networking models as follows. Okay. The first part we will focus on the first model, which is we call as OSI model. Okay, in which the OSI model consists of 7 layers. Okay, so we call as 7 layers of OSI model. Okay, so 2.1 sorry 2.2.2.2. Okay, actually the first one is the physical layer. Okay, that is the first layer of OSI model. Second layer is data link, third is network, and finally the seventh layer, which is the application layer. Okay, then we will summarize the function of each models. Okay, okay. The second part we will explore about internet models, or normally we call as TCP/IP model. Okay, right? So how many layers of TCP/IP models? So find out, then we will discuss afterward. Okay. Okay, at the end of the lecture, you should be able to elaborate the OSI layer. Okay. So how many layers of OSI models? So OSI model consists of 7 layers, right? Okay. And then the second part, elaborate the TCP/IP layer. Okay. Okay, normally we can identify as 4 layer of TCP/IP layer or 5 layers. Okay, so this is the layers for TCP/IP layer in comparison to OSI layer. Okay, right. The analogy of layers or the models. Okay, it is just like you want to send an email, okay, from you as a sender to your friend as a receiver. Okay, of course. Okay, you don't want the middleman or middle person, okay, to know what is the content of your email, right? Okay, therefore you need to hide the contents. Okay, therefore in order to proceed with this hidden task, okay, we need to perform a process we call as encapsulation, right? Encapsulation is just like the medicine capsule, okay, in which if there is a powder of a medicine, okay, normally you didn't consume the powder, right? You need to put in a capsule, right? Okay, so we have few powders. One is for flu, the other one is for fever. Okay, so by looking at the label of the powders, we know it is for flu, and the other one is for fever, right? Okay, then whenever we want to send our messages or email, we need to encapsulate, or in other words, we put the powder of the medicine into a capsule. Okay, we put in a capsule, then the process of putting the powder into a capsule we call as encapsulation. Okay, then that is the capsule for uh, fever. Okay, and we put another powder into another capsule. This is for flu, right? So now when you put the medicine into a few capsules, okay, so the content of the medicine is already being hidden. Means that you are not able to means that the middle person, which is the network, which is in these layers, okay, not able to figure out what is the content. Means that your message is already being hide. Okay, the process we call as encapsulation.